So we're here unboxing the 72 volt Epoch 105 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. You can see we have the stated charge meter. That's what you're going to get, the 2-inch round, and the wire harness. And I want to see, see the little remote on-off switch. That is one of my favorite features about the Epoch. It has that. So this will be the harness that has the SOC meter as well. And this must be the interface into the battery. So what you're going to get is, if you buy the kit, you also get a 72 volt charger, nominal voltage of course, and this battery. And I'll publish the dimensions of the battery and the weight, so you can just determine whether or not it'll fit. We are going to see if it's going to fit into this bad boy buggy. Hope you like the video. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks.